Welcome back to Bigfoot Journeys. Today we're exploring the historical and spiritual depths of the Ulun Danu Temple in Bali, nestled on the shores of beautiful Lake Bratan. The Ulun Danu Temple is an architectural masterpiece which traces its roots back to the 17th century, marking a pivotal chapter in Bali's rich history and cultural heritage. As we approach Ulun Danu Temple with its intricate pagoda-style architecture, we note it was built in 1633 and is dedicated to Dewi Danu, the Balinese goddess of lakes and rivers. Every detail in Ulun Danu's design carries historical significance. The ancient stone carvings narrate tales of Balinese mythology, while the tiered pagodas represent the cosmic balance revered in Balinese Hinduism. Balinese farmers, especially, hold Ulun Danu in high regard, believing that this temple safeguards the island's intricate subak system, an ancient irrigation method established in the 9th century. Ulun Danu is not just a religious site, it's a living historical archive. Its strategic location on Lake Bratan is a testament to the Balinese people's deep understanding of the symbiotic relationship between water sources and agriculture, crucial for sustaining the island's communities. The temple's breathtaking lakeside location, surrounded by misty mountains, provides not just a visual spectacle, but a window into Bali's enduring history and its cultural evolution over the centuries. Standing here, surrounded by the echoes of centuries past, one can't help but appreciate Ulun Danu as a living connection to Bali's historical roots.
That's a start, but what just don't